Okay, let's open this up and see what we get in here. Figure it'd be something cool to get once a month. Figure I'd try it out. Alright, get a card, thank you card. Okay. Oh, it looks like it tells you what you get. Explains everything, what company you get it's from. Check it out. Then if you get a golden ticket, you can win a set of wheels. Oh, that'd be cool. So open it up. See what we get. Alright, we got a pad. You can apply your wax or whatever. That'd be cool. So we got a Adam's black trim restore. Huh. I don't think I have any of this. Had to try it out. Yeah, restored black trim temporary. We'll have to try it. What's there? Let's see, got some magnets. Check that out. It's a nice magnet. Yeah, subscribers Rider of the Month. Oh, you can get your car Rider of the Month. Oh yeah, got a Chevy truck. Even has his name on it, which I'm not gonna say. That's pretty cool. Got a couple magnets. Cool, got a t-shirt. Oh, with some wheels on it. It's a nice t-shirt. Set this down. Sorry guys, if it's shaky and that. Just a t-shirt. That's nice with some wheels on it. I like how it says. That's a nice shirt. Alright, what else we get in here? Oh, Petrol box air cleaner. That's cool. Put that in your car. Oh, got some candy, fish, Swedish fish. Oh, I love these things. This is one of my favorite candies. What else? We got us a book. Let's see if I can get out of here. Cool book. Ford Model T, Coast to Coast. That slow drive across fast country. Tom. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty good book. Something to read. Me and the kid. Michigan. Let's take a look at it real quick. Oh yeah, it'd be a nice book to read. That's pretty cool. So, with this box, we get a book. We got some Adam's black trim, air freshener, some magnets, some candy, applicator pad. Got a cool t-shirt, which is pretty cool. Yeah. No golden ticket to get to free wheels right there. Hey, but that's pretty cool. Some good stuff. I'll get it next month and see what else we get. I had to email them because I can't log into my account. It's not recognizing my email, so hopefully it'll get Petrol box. My Petrol box will get back with me, so I can log into my account. So that's what it is. That's what you get. It's pretty neat. This my Petrol box. This is what you get. Not bad. T-shirt, some stuff on it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. You can try out a different product, detail product, which is kind of neat. And get a good book to read. That'd be nice to relax and read that. Got a cool t-shirt to wear to car shows. Can't beat that. Some cool magnets. Put on the fridge in the garage. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, we'll continue to get that. Get a few of them and see how they go. Maybe we'll win those wheels. But what car would I get the wheels for if I ever win? The Corvette? The Mustang? I don't know. So yeah, that's about it for that, guys. Some upcoming videos we're gonna have. Continue to go to car shows. It's been hard to get to so many car shows. It's been raining like almost every other weekend, I'd say, and then I'm working every other weekend, so it's hard to go. Have some more detailing videos coming up for my truck. I need to do a buddy's truck. I gotta do some detailing on. My buddy that's a mechanic that helped me do a bunch of work for the Mustang, help him out. So those will be coming up in the near future. So yeah, always something to do. Okay, so what we have that came in a petrol box is the paper that comes with it. Kind of explains what you got. So on a t-shirt is a Like Hell wheel t-shirt. Like Hell design is based out of the UK. That's pretty cool to get something out of UK. So right there, I'm not gonna read the whole thing. Then we got a Model T coast to coast book to read. Driverless cars are on the horizon, but before the world falls asleep in the driver's seat, let's take a look back down the road from where it all came from. The Ford Model T right there. So you got that book. Then we got a petrol box air freshener. That's pretty cool. You hang it in your car, make it smell good. And then what else that came in it? What is it? Adam Posh black trim restored. And what I read on the bottle, basically that it's like a dye, and it will restore your black trim exterior. So you use that if the BRT doesn't work. We'll try it out. I think on the kid's truck there's some plastic that's faded real bad, so maybe we'll try that out and make a video on it. What do you guys think? And then it came with the Rag Company applicator to apply your trim or anything, wax, whatever. So it's the shape of a bar of soap. That's what everything that you get. You can see it even gives you a website that you can go to. So which is cool. You can check out their stuff. So yeah, it's pretty neat. So I guess I said it a couple times. Pretty neat. So yeah, I think so. We'll give it a shot for a couple more months and see how it goes. Other stuff we get. So Corvette. Do a little walk. There you go. Gotta put that on your cars. Yeah, car's looking pretty good. Okay, well thanks for watching and checking out this video on the petrol box, what we got, and some little updates on the car stuff going on. The dog wants some attention. Here, you guys want to see her? One of them, there she is. One of the dogs, we have 3. So yeah, so thanks guys for watching. Appreciate it, means a lot. It does. And we try to support as many channels as we can. So I hope you guys have a good one. Later. It means a lot you guys supporting us and commenting and liking and everything. There's the other one. They all want attention. The big one's in the house. So, alright guys, you guys have a good one. Later.